Hello folks, this time to break the answer. Which one of the following documents created with reference to billing in SAP or S4 HANA? Let's try to bring it on the stage to know the answer now. So look at here that leave about this T code and path I have done like previously, doing some sessions, so that's why it's there. No worries. Let's look at the options: written order, sales order, debit memo, invoice list, credit memo, invoice correction request. So what do you think? What do you think the answer actually? I'm just waiting for more replies actually. Okay, let it be. Anyhow, it's my responsibility when I raise a question, if someone don't know, I need to give an answer. Someone who has given an answer, I really appreciate it. And let me explain you. Written order. You can create with reference or without reference. But in standard, with reference, you are customizing either with reference to order or invoice. Okay. In the similar way, sales order, it's not mandatorily with reference. Written order, not mandatorily with reference. Why? Because you are customizing. So then what actually SAP wanted to know from you? So whether you are following standard or not, that's where the question is comes into picture. Debit memo, invoice list, no question. Credit memo, again, okay, with reference and without reference. But mandatory is the word says that M will be there. In previous question document type I have explained, right? For invoice correction request with reference to invoice, 100% you have to create with reference to invoice. That's what it says. Without that you cannot able to do. If you take written order, with or without you can play. Sales order, with or without you can play. Debit memo, you with or without you can play. Invoice list, no question. Credit memo, again with or without, but mandatory for invoice correction action. This is the answer. So thank you so much for joining the session. So this is routine for me. I'm asking, if you are really interested, please subscribe my channel to really wanted to learn the subject. If you have a doubts, we will try one YouTube live. I'm planning like if you would like to ask any career guidance or questions or resume preparation or something like that, that also we can do it. Okay. See, I came to this world one day. I will out from this. Oof. So there is no selfishness. Share the knowledge and be good with people and get more blessings. Take the heights. I'll tell you where I got failures and where I got the success. I'm just waiting for your responses. Okay. So let's put it my out here. Let me try to open my channel. My SU success story. Let's keep this. What we will get it. Oh, it is coming from outside. No issues. Let's take studio. So you can see this my success story here. I asked them if someone wanted to know. I am not much successful, but at least I wanted to share how I have grown to IT market after seeing a lot of failures. It's a big lesson for like people like us. I don't want to comment on youngsters. They are very good. They are very fast in their life. Okay. So let's see this. I just asked them to comment on this. Few guys commented here like I would like to do. Okay. Probably I can take. I responded. So you guys are saying like, you want 456. I'm now in 427 video. I'm just expecting at least 200 replies from this channel. someone really wanted to know. So like four or five people you should have to wait. So many people wanted. I'm happy for your interest to know about me. Like 456 you are asking, and someone is asking 999. That means you wanted to learn more mm, before knowing me. So this guy has that interest, and the rest of the people wanted to know about my story. They wanted to check somewhere it might be useful like that. Okay. Anyhow, just keep commenting here, and if you like my videos, you can subscribe, and you can like. And these are the my set of Udemy courses I'm just providing here. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really like it, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. So I think you got answer for this question. If you are happy, I'm happy. Jai Hind. Have a great day.